If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. QuickBooks Online can apply automatic late fees to customers per your default settings within the Late Fees section of the Sales category in the Account and Settings window, as shown in the earlier lesson titled Customizing Your Sales Settings. After you enable the default automatic late fees, you can then customize the late fee settings for individual customers in your Customers page if needed by clicking their name in the customer list, then clicking the Late Fees tab that appears, making your changes to the individual customer's late fees on this tab, and then clicking the Save button. This lets you change the settings for specific customers that deviate from your default late fees if needed. After automatic late fees are enabled, they are assessed on new invoices according to the settings. Late fees are applied for up to 6 months or until paid. Late fees are assessed once per day, starting at 12 a.m. Pacific Time. They should finish being applied for the day by 7 a.m. Pacific Time. Late fees are not assessed retroactively on existing overdue invoices when late fees are first enabled. They are also only applied to invoices up to 6 months overdue. They are also not applied to unpaid invoices in closed periods. Late fees appear as line items in the corresponding invoices. Like all line items, you can delete them by clicking their trash icon at the right end of the line item to delete them if needed. They will also appear in customer statements that show the detail lines of invoices if you enable the List Each Transaction, including all detail lines option within the Statement section of the Sales category in the Account and Settings window, as discussed in the earlier lesson titled Customizing Your Sales Settings. However, if the automatic late fees are not assessed on an invoice because it falls within one of the exceptions previously noted, then you must manually add a late fee line item to the existing late invoice to charge late fees on the invoice. You can create this late fee item in the Products and Services page as either a new non-inventory item type or service item type as needed. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.